We just got our teen daughter a used car, and I was really concerned about her if her car breaks down. And I was looking for an emergency kit, and I tell you what, I was so excited to receive this. This isn't something that's just going to help her jumpstart her car. This is an extra power supply, as well as an emergency flashlight with different signals to make sure that she could flag someone down, especially if it's dark and rainy. The device looks just like this. It's nice, easy, and portable. And there really are only 2 buttons that you need to concern yourself with. And there's charging ports back here, as well as a port where you're going to put the jumper cables. On the other side in this pouch, there's a little zippered neck area, and you're going to have the jumper cables themselves. You're going to have a way to charge this from your car cigarette lighter, and you'll receive a USB-C to USB-C wire. In addition, you'll also have instructions, and I'm telling you what, this looks so easy to use. This small but mighty flame retardant device will jumpstart your car in less than 3 seconds. They even have it foolproof where it will not even operate if you have the plus and minus reversed. I think this is awesome. Using the emergency light, you just press and hold the on-off button. This light will come on and you press it again and you have 3 different safety modes. I'm telling you what, that'll give you a lot of peace of mind. And then you just press and hold when you want to turn it off. You'll notice on the back you have these 3 ports. You have this 12-volt adapter, which is great if you want to plug it in and charge from your car. You have a USB-A port, and you have this USB-C port. Now what's great is you can use this to charge, and it'll show in because it'll know that it's receiving a power supply, or you use it to charge your phone or AirPods or iPads, and you can plug it in. And when you plug it in, it now says out. All right, so we're out here with the jumper cables at my daughter's car, and I'm telling you what, this has premium lithium batteries. I'm going to be able to start her car in less than 3 seconds with this 800A peak current. The casing on this is so durable that even if you're in the heat of Arizona or the cold, chilly Arctic of Alaska, this is going to work. Look at these clamps. They have an advanced battery management system. You don't have to worry about overcharging your car, short-circuiting your car, or any type of reverse polarity, which means these can be used by anyone. Just look at these copper teeth. There are going to be 2 ways that you can jumpstart your car, but first you'll pull that tab back and push this in so that they're nice and secure. Once the cables are on, you'll notice I'll turn this on. I'm going to connect the red clamp to the red bolt and the black clamp to the black bolt. I'm going to actually go press the power button. You can see it says ready. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. If the clamps are on incorrectly, you will get an error message and you will not be able to use this device. Another method that you could use to quick start is to press this button right here. Once that's pressed, you can turn it on. You have this bright 4-inch high definition display that tells you it's ready to charge. You can see everything. I just love this. It doesn't take long to charge this at all. You can fully charge this in about 1.5 hours. And in only 30 minutes, you can charge a dead cell phone up to 60%. So if you want the peace of mind knowing that if you or someone you love is on the road, you have this easy and convenient car jump starter. It comes with a convenient carrying case. It has an emergency flashlight with 3 different modes. You even have a way to charge your devices. I'm telling you what, this gives me the peace of mind knowing that if my daughter has anything happen, that she has a way to charge her phone, jumpstart her car, and even if it's raining, she can use this flashlight to attract attention or use it to look at her engine to see what's going on or look at a flat tire. I absolutely love this, and I bet you will too.